Sinubukan mo na ba halos lahat ng productivity system? Mayroon kang planner, may routine, may timer ka, pero parang hindi pa rin gumagana. Well, it's not your fault. Mali ang sistema. The world has one system for one brain type. So if yours is different, you are the problem. They call you Mr. and Miss Procrastinator. Ningas kugon ka daw. Kasi ang advice nila, what? Mag-focus ka ng matagal, mag-follow ka sa routine, or mag-stick ka sa schedule. At kung hindi mo kaya to stick to it, ikaw ang may problema. Sounds familiar? You see, nung bata ako, hindi rin ako makaupo ng matagal sa klase. Lagi akong naiinip. Lagi akong nakatingin sa bintana. Kung ang isip ko nasa ibang bagay. Napapagalitan. Madalas, actually. Kasi nga, hindi ako nakikinig. Now, hindi ko alam kung subject ba sa school yung boring o yung teacher. But they call it a problem. O they call you mga bobo sa row 4 o yung mga batang nakaupo malapit sa basurahan. But here's the thing. Pag may topic na talagang interesado ako, I can work for days or even weeks or even months. Almost walang effort, walang struggle. Natural lang sa akin. But that's how I succeeded in my career when I was still employed. You see, as early as 1999, I'm already building website and working as a freelancer. As early as 2007, I've been running my online businesses and I've been working from home for 18 years now. And in 2023, I created AI images that went viral. And because of those images, in 1 week time, I'm on TV guestings, online news, radio stations, and so forth. Ito yung time that millions of Filipinos hindi pa nila alam what is AI or artificial intelligence. Now, what seems to be na weakness ko is actually my superpower. You see, there is no one system or the only way to be productive. Kasi ang utak mo, hindi siya design para sa boring na topic or discussions. Design siya para sa passions mo or interest mo. So my friend, kung nakaka-relate ka sa akin, my friend, hindi yun weakness. That is your superpower.